Hello students, welcome to Education with Difference, and today's our topic is coral bleaching. In this video, we will talk about the coral bleaching of Great Barrier Reef. But wait a minute. What if I told you one of Earth's most stunning natural wonder is dying? And we are the reason why. The Great Barrier Reef, home of thousands of marine species, is under threat. Coral bleaching is turning this vibrant ecosystem ghostly white. But why? Rising sea temperatures caused by climate change, just a 1 degree increase can stress coral and cause them to eject the algae they rely on, their color and their life source. The 2016 and 17 coral bleaching events naturally wiped out nearly half of reefs' shallow water corals. Some areas may never recover. Coral reefs protect coastlines, support fisheries, and sustain livelihoods. Their laws affect us all, but there is still hope. Reducing emissions and protecting our oceans can help these reefs survive, but it starts with awareness. I hope this video will be informational for you. Thank you.